Hi everybody, and welcome back to Handsthatcook. My name is Linda. Today we're going to make chicken and dumplings, but we're going to make them the easy way. Now I've just put my chicken in a pot of water, and when that gets done and I pull the chicken out and ready to show you how to do these special dumplings, we'll be back. Now, here is our secret ingredient, crescent rolls. I'm going to unroll them on this floured surface. I'm going to cut them with my pizza cutter, and then I'm going to put them in the water while I debone and deskin the chicken. I needed a can of cream of chicken soup, but I didn't have any, so here we go. Now these aren't flaky kind, these are just regular.
You want me to go get some soup?
Yeah, I do. 2 cans of it. Sam's going after some chicken soup for me. So I'm breaking these apart. I'm going to flour the top of them because we need to help thicken the broth. And I'm not going to be real particular about how I cut them. I've got a little bowl here that I'm throwing them in, as you can see. And I'm cutting the bigger side in half. I'm doing 2 cans of them, just to be sure that I've got enough. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get finished. We are back. I got my chicken pulled off the bone. I've got my crescent roll dumplings here that I floured. And I'm just going to put those in. You have to have your water boiling now when you put in dumplings. I put a couple of cans of cream of chicken soup in here. Woo! That is hot. I'm going to push them down some. Now, you want it to boil, but you don't want it to boil real fast. So I'm going to cut the heat down while they're still boiling. And I'm going to let them boil about 10 minutes. And then we'll be back. Right, we're back. I let these lightly boil for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to put my chicken back in. And I'm going to just wait until this gets heated through. And I'll bring you back while Sam gives it a taste. Well, here's Sam's dish. And he's about to taste it. I tasted it because I wanted my opinion. And they're very good. And it's simple to make. But let's see what he thinks. Come on, Sammy.
Well, now my grandmother always made chicken and dumplings, and I love them. I'll bet they're good.
I'll let them cool off a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Taste the dumplings, not the chicken.
Well, I did. I tasted. Those are delicious. I'm serious, they are delicious. I had a joke I was going to tell y'all, but I couldn't remember it. Not all of it. But you know, I might be getting a touch of dementia, but you know, there's not but one advantage I can think of to having dementia, and what that is that you would be able to hide your own Easter eggs.
Well, you've told that before, Sam.
Well, I told you I had dementia. They are delicious. These dumplings are perfect. I love the taste. It's got a good buttery taste to it.
Don't get the flaky.
Oh, I'm going to eat it all.
Would you leave it there?
I got to leave it there?
Don't get the flaky crescent rolls. Get the solid ones. And you saw how easy it was to make. So y'all give this a try.
Yeah.
It's easier than making your own.
Yeah, those are delicious.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that bell. And then hit all so you'll get all the new uploads. And you've got to try these. They're easy and they're very good. You'll be surprised. So until next time, I'll put the recipe below. You all take care, and God bless every one of you.